Hi, it's Michael Gaffney again, and I'm letting you in on my biggest secret. Flowers in my house last weeks. 3, 4, sometimes 5 weeks. Why? Right here. If you've been to my class, you've seen me on television, I talk about it constantly. It's called Crowning Glory. The cat's out of the bag. It's been around for 30 years and nobody knows about it. How it works is this is basically a candle in a bottle, and when you spray it on a flower, it seals the flower in wax so it can't lose the moisture. How do flowers live? They suck water up the stem, it comes out the surface. When the stem rots in the water, it stops sucking water and it comes out the surface and they die. So if you seal them with Crowning Glory, you seal in that moisture, it no longer comes out. I have news for you. Yesterday was my birthday. Thank you very much. I was 102 years old, but the reason I look so good is I spray Crowning Glory on my face every day. Okay, not every day, but I'm telling you, this is the wax sealant. The reason I just sprayed my face is to show you it won't harm your kids or your pets. So, of all the tips in my other video telling you how to get flowers to last, this is the number one. I don't work for this company. I should. So, it's Crowning Glory for the win. If you like what you're hearing, hit my subscribe button below, leave me a comment. I know a lot of you who have met me over the years have this product. Tell me how it works for you. I just had a girl in here yesterday saying it's the miracle drug. I'm also Michael Gaffney Flowers on Instagram, and there is a link below to purchase Crowning Glory. And if you want all the news fit to print, go to flowerschool101.com and keep blooming.